Nothing's first pair of over-ear headphones, fittingly called the Nothing Headphones 1 set to launch tomorrow. This is the first look Nothing Headphones 1 and this is box. Headphone 1 weighs 329 grams. They feature the signature transparent design elements on the outside of the ear cups and Nothing branding. We can see that Headphones 1 will be available in black and white colors. The ear cups feature a two-part design with the base appearing to be made from metal while the top half is made from plastic and looks like a cassette tape. We can also spot 3 buttons, 2 on the side and 1 on the outside of the ear cup. While these are wireless headphones, one of the images shows them connected with a 3.5mm audio jack, so that will also be an option. The sound setup centers around 40mm dynamic drivers. Connectivity is via Bluetooth 5.3. The headphones, 1, have a 1040 mAh battery that offers up to 80 hours of playback with ANC off, 35 hours with ANC on. Nothing claims a 5-minute charge provides up to 5 hours of playback. An earlier leak claims the Headphone 1 will be sold for $299 in the US. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.